All right, this is going over number one from 11.4 day one. And the deal on this one is we're trying to do some conditional probabilities. That's what this line means. And the line is given that is how you say that. So this first one says probability you get a club given that the card you got is black. Okay, and so the way I think of it is this part is always the denominator. So basically, if we're looking at all the black cards on letter A here. Okay, so there's 26 of them if you count them up. So I'm going to highlight them right there. There's the 26 black cards. Okay, so it's probability of club given that you're black. So once you have the 26 black ones identified, you say out of those black ones, how many are clubs? So not out of the total cards, just out of these 26 black, how many are clubs? And that's this top row here. So that's 13 out of 26, or 1/2. So the probability you got a club, given that you got a black one, is 1/2. Okay, and then letter B, kind of similar. So it's given that you're black. So that's going to be 26 cards. And then this time it says, okay, given probability you get a 4, given that you're black. So we have the 26 black cards, and we look, hey, how many are 4s? And you highlight them right there. Right? Like, importantly, it's not all the 4s. It's just out of these 26 that we're focusing on. And out of those 26, 2 of them are 4s. Okay, and if you clean that up, it's 1/13. Okay, and then the last one is kind of a trick question, I guess. It's basically saying, so it's given that you're black again. So we're focusing on the same 26 cards that are highlighted in red there. And it's saying, out of those 26 cards, how many are diamonds? And the answer is none. If we focus on the 26 black cards, how many are diamonds? That's none. So this is 0 out of 26, or just 0. So the probability you get a diamond given that you're a black card is 0. All right, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.